Yo, what's up, big fellas? So today we're gonna be making some waffles. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get your shit to make it. So you're gonna want to get a knife, a fork. The butter is which is right here. I can't fucking get it open. You got the butter right here. You got the plate right here. So yeah. So after we do that, you got the waffles in here. They've been cooking in the refrigerator or freezer, whatever the fuck you call it. So you put those two bad boys in there and let it sit there for about let's say like 5 to 6 minutes or some shit like that. You know what I mean? Yeah. And you know, while you're waiting for your shit to be done, you can do this. You can do the TV. You can play a TV. You can fucking piece of shit. What the? So now we're just waiting on this. You know what? Fuck it. Let's check it out. See if it's good. It's got a nice brown. We want it to be completely charcoal black though. That's our quest right now. Just kidding, it's good. We're gonna be using these waffles now. So you gotta hurry up and get the butter on there so that doesn't you know, the waffles don't get bad. Get cold. I can't fucking speak right now because I'm trying to do this with one hand and it fucking sucks. Alright, so we got waffle number 1 and we got waffle number 2. So you know, once you're done doing all your shit, you can put that away. And, oh fuck. So once you're done with that, once you're done giving false instructions, you can flip this over very carefully like that. And now you cut it with 2 hands. Alright, so this is almost the final part, but you know, you don't want to forget the maple syrup. So, you know, get a nice even, oh wait, this, okay, you're going to want to get a nice even, are you serious? Alright, so back to what I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by the syrup. You're going to want to just pour it on there. Make sure it gets inside of the waffles. Don't use too much of, what is this? Maple syrup. I thought this was Aunt Jemima's, but you know, make sure you don't use, if you're using that, don't use too much of her syrup. But yeah, put it away. Fuck you, put it away. And you know, put it away. Put this away. Just like that. And you got your spoon. And, you know, if you want to get some shit to drink, let's check it out. We got nothing. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how to make these wonderful looking waffles right here. And, you know, sorry about being retarded and not uploading a lot. Because, you know, I'm fucking lazy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more shit, and I'll see you guys in the next video.